morning. Ceviche peruano. We have yuca, camote, the sweet potato. There's your ceviche, and it comes with corn. Oh my gosh, this is what we've all been waiting for since we got here. Every time, just taking pictures of the food because I mean Peruvian food is ridiculously good. Mira que rico se ve. Look at this. That looks disgusting, but I'm sure it's good.
For you.
For you. Oh no. Pero el ceviche, we attacked it. We attacked it. Landed in Cusco. Woo! So now we have a 2-hour drive to get to the train that's going to take us 2 hours calientes for our Machu Picchu tour tomorrow, and we're like so excited. I literally have those nerve butterfly feelings in my stomach, but I'm so excited, guys. Like, I've been wanting to come to Machu Picchu for years now, and it's happening. I fucking made it happen, and it's here. I'm with Jessica, I'm with Francisco. We're having the best time of our lives. We have made it to the trail of Querido Peru. Yeah, it's really tall, it's really steep. This is the bad boy that we need to climb. So I'm hoping my water shoes will get me there. Oh shoot. And here we go. We're visiting Moray today, and we're gonna head up to Moray and Maras, I believe it's called. And look at these cute little stores. We're gonna get something to eat right now. We're in the Sacred Valley, and there's a ton of pueblitos that you can go and do tours and just, you know, get more history of the Incas and the Peruvian culture. So we're gonna be doing that right now. I'm excited. We're having a little lunch break. Look how bomb this looks. Chicharrones, una papa, maíz. Oh, looks so good. So the time has come to try their prestigious cuisine out here in Cusco. This is called a cuy, and it's basically a guinea pig. I am not one to ever try things like this because I don't like seeing the whole body. I really thought they were gonna have it chopped up in some type of pasta or something like that, but that's not happening. They wanted me to have the whole thing, and so yeah, I'm gonna try the cuy, which is guinea pig. Ay, Dios mío, ayúdame. I mean, go for it. You go first.
We got the booty first, huh?
Someone likes booty. Hey.
Hey. Can't complain about that.
Ay, Dios mío. If you're Peruvian and you eat this,
Oh my god, this
Skin
is
is
like...
like.
Ay, está bien grueso,
ese
¿verdad?
cuerito se ve rico, like...
Se ve rico, pero está bien grueso. ¿Y esto qué es? Esto es como papa. Ay, a ver. ¿Cómo sabe? ¿Apoyo?
Tastes like chicken.
¿Ya?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, let me try it. Here, hold it.
What do you think, Abby?
I want to see a face. Ew!
There's a face.
What?
She's seeing his face and she's getting freaked out.
It's not chicken, that's for sure. I guess like turkey. Oh my god, he loved it. Damn, Francisco, get that. I couldn't even take a picture of my little thing. Yeah, so we did it. We tried cuy. I am proud of myself because I can't believe I'm seeing this guy's face like right here, dude. I'm good. I'm never trying it again. But
No?
I did it. I did
You
it.
don't eat fish? You don't see their face?
No, I don't eat them like that. They're like ceviche form. Okay, poo? Last few hours in Cusco, and we want to go see Cristo Blanco. Ridiculous, because we're so sore still from Machu Picchu, and that was what, like 2-3 days ago? The elevation here is so high that it makes it hard to breathe. But we're gonna do it anyway. Gotta climb all this. Oh my god, the streets here are so cute. How do you feel? Muerta. No sé cómo hacen esto todos los días. Yo estoy muerta y apenas tenemos ni 5 minutos haciendo esto.